everyone, and welcome to Compound Marketing in Action, a video series where we dive into how your teams could unite their data, marketing, and AI strategies to drive compound growth. My name is Katharine, and today we're going to dive into one of the most common and most valuable use cases that we see in retail, which is winning back lost customers. We know that it's up to 5 times cheaper to win back a former customer than it is to acquire a new one. So this is why it's hugely valuable. And today we're going to walk through an example of curating some audiences that you might use to target for some kind of discount win back program. So I'm going to get started in GrowthLoop's AI Studio, which is basically a command center for marketers that they can activate and collaborate with growth agents who are going to really accelerate the audience building process and incorporate insights to make the audiences as productive and targeted as possible. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enter a prompt in here to focus on this customer win-back audience. So in this case, I'm going to do audiences of people who usually spend more than $50 but haven't purchased any time in the past few weeks. All right, so you can see that the audience agent is going to take over. So no SQL required, no manual filtering required. It's going to handle all of this, really expedite that process of audience building while also incorporating insights from my data warehouse around conversions and engagement that are going to ensure that the results that are returned, these audience suggestions, are going to be optimized for this win-back use case. So you can see here that I've got, high spenders who haven't purchased in 90 days, who haven't purchased in the last month but have the app. So just a variety of plays on that prompt. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and grab high spenders who haven't purchased in the last month. And what's going to happen on this right-hand side, it's going to generate an audience draft. That audience draft is one that I can then iterate on to ensure that, as a marketer, I'm still in control of these activations. So I'm using AI as a tool in my toolkit, but I'm not handing over, full control of my activations. All right, so you can see here that I now have this editable audience draft. So it gave me exactly what I was looking for, which was an average order value of at least $50 and the last purchase date that was over 30 days. So if I wanted to add any other filters in here, I can go ahead and grab them based on any field that's available in my data warehouse. So maybe I want to focus on people who have the app downloaded because I want to run some kind of specific push notification through my app. So I can go ahead and filter that to true. And I've now segmented that audience. You can see it up here in real time, down to that group of folks that have that app, have that high purchase value, but have churned over the past 30 days. All right, so that's how you can use GrowthLoop's AI Studio to build a highly targeted, productive audience of high spenders that you want to win back. For more information or to get a personalized demo, you can go ahead and visit us at our website.